Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a single, recognizable Tokyo Revengers element to center on, a character, emblem, or quote. Once chosen, map that element to a concrete Bgmi asset, a skin, spray, or limited crate that feels authentic. Make sure to schedule the drop when anime interest spikes. This boosts engagement. Also line up simple rewards and entry requirements so players can access the tie-in quickly. This first step turns fandom awareness into measurable player actions and immediate traction. You now build the playable path, design missions that reward playtime and social sharing. Once done, combine daily tasks with a 3-stage challenge so players feel progression. This increases retention. Make the themed UI obvious: banners, limited avatar frames, and a one-click equip flow to lower friction. Also balance drop rates and pricing so the tie-in feels special without alienating free players. These middle steps are where viral interest converts into session growth and revenue. You launch with creator pushes and a focused ad burst, aim for 10 creators and a single showcase tournament to concentrate momentum. Once live, monitor DAU, conversion percentage, and social mentions to see what's working. If a major bug appears, patch quickly and consider a rollback for affected features. Make sure to communicate transparently and offer compensation like extra crates. If engagement dips due to issues, extend the event by a few days to regain trust and recover participation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.